They say Nigeria police and Nigeria army don't engage in a very big blow. No be small thing, no. Now so the policeman go blood the army go blood the police. This one that happened for Ekiti State to no be small thing. As we they talk that one, they say their hope was on the man and the go to Aka, which is APC and Labour Party. No be small war. If you see the war they throw each other, and the Labour Party candidates don't come outside come claim say all the whole army where they carry come Imo State, now they invite them come so that the hope of the man no go rig election. No be small thing, no. Imo State go hot. As we they talk that one, that Nigeria army don't come outside though. They say they don't capture one Biafra Army. Now the guy can tell them say no be Biafra Army, oh, no be small things are happening. Yeah, my people, we go look inside them. Can't know how all these things they happen. Oh. Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today not the first time we they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebene Kwezioko. And if today not the first time we they come, I beg may try follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here we bring you evidence and we'll bring video to back up our updates with no issue. We know they carry fake news for here. So my people, let's look into the matter where we'll get for hand today. They say that police don't engage in blow for street. And now people can't separate them. Now people suppose separate police. I mean now police suppose separate people. Things they happen. Police versus army every time for Nigeria. When police versus army they go war for Nigeria, then tell me what people go come do this country whether they call Nigeria. Wow, mo bring the video come show you how they throw blow. They throw blow for inside streets. Mo show you the video before we come back and continue. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, as this thing they happen, now people come they say waiting cause this fight. Oh, why they come they throw blow to each other? Now we come deep down, we'll find out waiting happen. They say now because of a traffic. Oh, they say army they beat traffic. Army say na police na beat traffic. Now so fight come boss and all of them jump down. You go see as police they jump up. You go see as army come they still they jump up for that video. This country now, wow. Tell me waiting people where they look them tomorrow go still do if they own Brit Africa. That means they go carry whisper now, come they face each other. They come collect money for their head. No be smart thing. This country now, wow. More quickly jump into Imo State. Go know waiting they happen for Imo State. We go play the video waiting this man where they call Ago Taka will be the Labour Party governor candidate talk. He said now they bring all the whole Ekelebe and all the whole army come for Imo State. Maybe watch the video together before we come back. Can't tell you waiting hope of them can reply for that video. This one a very big battle, no be smart, no go easy at all. We watch them together.
And ever had a quarter base. Harasogo Mwaka and yet dismantle Olamea. When I hope to do it, I got China. When I hope to do it, because I got China. When I hope to do it, I got China. When I hope to do it, I got China. Because Aburamuru Namga Quatan and the police 10,000 or crazy open. Magwakunu Namga Quatan Dame, Quata DSS carry. so that onye ọbụla bịara gara ballot box akụtuo ya. Ọkwa unu hụrụ ndị na-ebu amọtka tanka na-akparị ọwụ unu ka ha chụga. Nye ha bịara obi si unu ike ka unu pụta bịa tụọ vootu. Ọkwa unu na-anụ obi si onye ọbụla ike ha bịara mkpọrọ ha. Ha bịara protect the process. Labour Party! Labour Party! We your boot. O nwere ihe nna anyị ukwu president kwuru mgbe anyị gara campaign. Ọ sị ekwu unu nkwa unu detuo ya. So that I may one unu ama akara anyị ya. Ọkwụnụ hụrụ ihe our brother Governor Alex Oti mere na-abịa. Nke m ga ha ebido in January. So otu m siri gwa unu.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, sebi you don't see am, no be small thing, no. I say and they bring all of them, they come for inside Imo State. So Imo State youth, now don't see am. I left for now to decide. But as that one come they go on, now hope Uzodinma come outside, come they sing for am, say men deo, men deo. Move go still play you the video, may you watch and see wetin they go on for the side of Hope Uzodinma. Wetin Hope Uzodinma talk concerning the matter.
When will you turn over here? Political, structural, financial, thank you.
Yeah, my people, sebi you don't watch am, no be small thing, no. Hope Uzodinma sonyo ne wewe onyo na si ya sowa, onyo na pia ya piawa. Imo State finally na so we come see am, no be small thing, no. Imo State na so it dey happen for that area, oh. Okay, my people, as that one come dey happen, na the security agencies come outside say they don capture one Biafra Army. Must still bring the video up for you to watch. May hear wetin the guy tell them and wetin they go on for this country where would they things they happen.
What's your name? You are from where?
I'm from Munda Kemuno, around this
Around this
Yes, sir.
Do you know me?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen me before?
Yes, sir.
Where do you know me?
I know you when I carry my machine.
You carry your machine?
Yes, sir.
What will be your name again?
Obi Okonko.
Good. So, after we carry you last time, when I catch you, you pretend you come to lie to me. Then you go, shut up. Then the next thing is for you to come and kiss Sonny. You carry them, come to come and kiss Sonny. Kai, I have all the conversation. I will plan for you. Or will they track all our conversation? Where they communicate, even how you talk. Say how you take 3 sooner. You go report to army. Then to come 7 and come kill him. In things saying go sabi wrong. No be talk am for conversation.
Yes.
No be talk am to tell you say I get every concrete evidence against you.
Yes.
No be you I catch your machine for benefit you when they run that day. You tell me say you no be hype up. God never carry enter my hand again the second time. I don't have your time till I come back from where I'm going to.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, no be smart, you know, things they happen. What may you leave you, may you contribute put for this video, and may you let us know your own opinion regarding this video why I don't show you right now. No be smart, you know, as you don't see am, now so we still see am. So we will talk about all this information we don't bring you for here for comment section. What do you think about the election we want to take place in Imo State? Do you think that the election will hold in Imo State? And do you think that Hope Uzodinma will still remain there, or this man, whether they call Agutaka, will still win the election? So let us know what you think and talk about the fight, the blow where they go on between army and Nigeria police. And this one where they don't come outside say they don't capture this guy. May you let us know what you think for the video. We will quickly see you for the next update as it dey hot. Okay, my wonderful people, please make you share this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn your notification bell and also follow our page so that you don't go miss our update. We're here to update you back to back as it happen. We will see you for the next update.